how to check your incognito browsing history on a Windows PC, and how to clear the DNS cache afterward. First, open Google Chrome and launch an incognito window by pressing Ctrl-Shift-N. Then visit any website you'd like. For example, let's search for FIFA World Cup highlights and open one of the web pages. Once you've finished browsing, close the incognito window. Now it's time to check the DNS cache. Press Windows plus R on your keyboard to open the Run dialog box. Type CMD and press Enter to open the command prompt. In the command prompt, type the following command: ipconfig/displaydns. Then press Enter. Your computer will display a list of recently resolved domain names, including websites that may have been visited in incognito mode if they're still stored in the DNS cache. Scroll through the list to see the available entries. If you want to clear the DNS cache, type this command: ipconfig/flushdns. Then press Enter again. You'll see a message confirming that the DNS resolver cache has been successfully flushed. Keep in mind that this method only shows DNS cache entries. It does not provide a complete browsing history, and the cache may already be empty if your computer has been restarted or the cache is expired. That's it. That's how you can check and clear the DNS cache on your Windows PC. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications for more Google Chrome and Windows tutorials.